Hello everybody. In the previous video, I have discussed about the academyportal.in. In this portal, there are mainly two parts. Number one is institutional contact portal, and the second one is certificate portal. Today, I will discuss about the institutional contact portal. This contact portal has been designed in such a way that all necessary information to know and contact members of various departments of various institutions may be stored in a single database. Information may be recorded by the members themselves or by the respective institutions or departments. Recorded information is always editable by the members themselves by login. Concerned institutions or departments may edit members' information which are related to them only. Unlimited number of phone numbers, email IDs, and addresses may be added to a members by themselves as well as by concerned institutions or departments. That additional information is accessible by all the concerned institutions or departments but editable by only the members. Now discuss in more discuss in details about the benefits of institutions. The first benefit is it will need no high efficient webmaster for designing and maintaining the web form database and its processing. Everything will be done by the professional of academyportal.in. It will also give the institution uh, an easy access to members' new mobile numbers, email IDs, addresses, etc. whenever it will be updated by the user or by any concerned institutions in the website. It will be available to the concerned institution immediately. It will also give the institution an easy way to prepare ID card, admit card, mark sheet, certificate, etc. Every document will contain a unique serial number which is searchable and verifiable in the academyportal.in. It will also provide them a easy way to send group mail to the group of people as for example alumni, present or past students, present or retired teachers, etc. No need to maintain a separate email ID or address book. There are so many benefits beside this. Now let us consider some of the benefits to the members. It will allow the members to remain within the group of one's present and past institutions and departments. Find one's batchmates in one place. A member can contact any batchmate or any other member of an institute by email when he or she needs it. And it will also give them a easy to one's batchmates, easy way to one's batchmates or any members to find and contact him or her without exposing the phone number or email ID. For details, you may find the frequently asked questions in the website. One can also upload an unlimited number of address, phone numbers, and email IDs. When a member changes his or her addresses, phone number, etc., He or she need not to inform every concerned institute. He or she can update it in his or her personal profile, which will be available to the all concerned institutions immediately. It will reduce the chances of miscommunication with the institution. If a member is unable to update the changes of contact details, a web admin of a concerned institute may add it to his or her profile, which will also be accessible to the other concerned institution, etc. Hope you have understood the benefits of using the academic contact portal. If you have any further question, you may contact us in the mail ID at academicportal.in@gmail.com. Thank you.